Best natural home remedies for cough to provide you with instant relief. Honey Mulethi cinnamon. A mixture of 1/4 teaspoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon Mulethi powder and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon with water had 2 times daily each morning and evening works wonders. Pepper. For productive cough, pepper may be the simplest home cure. Combine 1/2 teaspoon of pepper with desi ghee and also have it on the full stomach. Pomegranate juice for children. In the book, Vasant Lad suggests an excellent combine for kids. To provide them with a mixture of 1/2 cup pomegranate juice, a pinch of ginger powder together with pippali powder. Spiced tea. A hot cup of spiced teas are a terrific way to get rid of a poor cough, naturally. Add 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, a pinch of cinnamon and a few cloves. Improve dental health. An insufficiency in vitamin C can result in several gum and dental issues, for example gum disease, bleeding gums, and scurvy. Because lemon peel is wealthy in citric acidity and vitamin C, with the ability to prevent these and other associated gum and dental issues.